Street Demon True Dual Exhaust with AFE air intake system for this Jeep Grand Cherokee 3.6. This system is built with aluminized materials, but stainless steel is also available. The quality goes in before the name goes on. Rich's 3.5-inch Viper stainless tips shown. Dozens of beautiful tips in stock for you to choose from. Interior tone level is mild with Rich's Street Demon Performance Mufflers. Other muffler options are available. "12 horsepower gain with this Momentum AFE air intake system. Be sure and subscribe, like, and comment below. See it and hear it at richsperformanceexhaust.com.